Right, good morning everyone. Now, at the moment, I'm just trying different ways to use up the Hessian. So, I've made some petals, and the way to stop them from fraying is to use, for those of you who don't know, is to use some PVA glue. Now, this one is a washable glue, so you can actually wash the flowers if you chose to. So I'm going to make a flower from them. And you just dab it along the edge. Now, of course, you want it to work. So you may need to do this more than once. But once should be enough. If you put enough on, it dries clear, so you're not going to see it. But I want to colour these. I don't want to leave them as they are. I want to try and put a bit of colour in them. And I'm going to try, I do have some inks that I want to try, some sprays. See, like that. Now this was the first one I did, so that's almost dry, but I'm just going to go over that again slightly. I want the edge on it, you see, because I can colour the edge. So it's going to give it like a lip on the very edge. I mean, this is quite thick PVA glue. If you watered it down, which I generally do 50-50, and it's usually enough, and it'll be a lot quicker. But I had this glue and I thought it needs using. I don't want it to go hard, because all my mediums are going hard because I'm not using them, so I have to use them up. You know, the cost. And some are quite expensive, although I look for, you know, I look around and get the cheapest price I can, but it doesn't stop them being expensive to start with. I could have done it with clear glue, but hot glue, but hot glue doesn't actually, unless you've got a very clear one, you're still left, you know, with the look of glue. When I how can you explain? It's hard to explain. Hot glue isn't always as clear as you'd like it, and therefore it leaves like a milky bit, you know what I mean? It looks milky. And sometimes it doesn't paint. And with whatever they're doing with all the bloody like acrylics don't stick anymore, they're just finding cheap ways to make them for you to buy, you know, buy the products, and they don't give a shit whether it works or not. That's, you know, they don't care. We're going to leave them to dry. But I think, let me just see what it's going to be like if I colour them. I'll mix the two colours together. So I'm going to use the same one that I used the other day. You know, the Cosmic Shimmer ones. So I want to see if I can paint it on. My sprays don't work, the bottles don't work. They're so dry, I've never kept up to using them. And so it's, right. So this one is the Plum Twist and the Peacock Green. No idea what it's going to be like. I'd probably ruin them all, but then, you know, there you go. Yeah, probably will ruin them all. So I've got my 2 brushes that I'm going to use. And let's go in with the purple one first. Now I may need to put this in a lid of some sort. So, oh, let's just do that here. Pop a little bit of my Plum Twist in there. Like I say, I'll try. I've done extra petals just in case, because I know what I'm like. One more lid or a tub of some sort. Yeah, this'll do. I use these. Oh no, I'm going to use this one from yesterday. Let's have a look. From the other day. Ooh, put plenty in there, haven't I? I like these because of the mica powder in them. Okay, let's just move these up. And pop my lid there. I'm not fussed. Okay, I'm going to try it on this one. So I hope you can see this one. So I'm going to go in with the purple first. And just try and colour it. See what happens. Probably nothing. I don't know. Let's just see. I thought it would have, you know, soaked in a bit better. We'll see. Don't forget it is dark at the moment, but it will lighten up once it dries. So this is just a test of some sort, you know. I'm not sure if it will work. And I may have to leave them a couple of hours to dry. Now, I'm not seeing this run into each other, so I'm going to blend it in using the brush just for now. Oh, I love the colour though. Wow. Yes, we'll see. It'll look different when it's dried. It looks like a peacock feather, doesn't it? Yeah, they're okay. I can go in and fill anything in. Let me just wash that. I'm just going to go over some of the purple again. I like that mixture. It's kind of giving it like a feathery look. I'm going to try another colour, I think. I just want to do it. It's making me want to do like the peacock colour, so I need a yellow. Maybe. It's got a hint of green in this. But I just want to do that. And I'm going to call this my peacock flower. Oh, that's gorgeous. Right, I'm just going to wash the brush and then I'm going to try and get a yellowy colour. Okay, so I've got this one and it's the Mango Blaze. It's got gold in it. I'm going to try and get all the powder out, the mica powder. Sorry, I'm just going to make sure they're all in place. I don't know what will happen. I've no idea. Oh God, that is rich. What a colour. Wow, what a rich colour. May need to do a couple of coats. Yeah. Now, like I say, we are getting these back in stock, but I'm not sure when. I might try and dry these off a little bit. Now the job to try and get that back in, but I'm going to hold it over the bowl, over the bin. So I don't want to waste that. Look at the mica powder left in it. I did do it, folks. I got it in. I spilt it here and there. Put it on those because you're not going to see the ones underneath, really. That's it. Right, that's all I'm going to do. I think that's enough. Okay, excuse me. Right, I'm just going to get my little dryer. So remember I used to, this was sent, it was gifted to me, but what I'm after is one of those, like a hairdryer one. I can't find them anywhere. Nobody seems to be doing them anymore. So if anybody knows where to get one, let me know, please. Right, I'm just going to leave them for now.